today I'll be showing you how to put in background music to your videos using Filmora 9. Let's do this. All right. Thank you for coming to my channel today. My name is Charles Diggs, and this is business for the regular guy. So this is where I talk about different tricks and tips and different things to try to make things more easy and a more of a pleasant experience for the regular guy, right? Okay, so today we're going to talk about Filmora 9 and how to put in background music to your videos, okay? And so before we do that, why don't you like and describe? That's it, describe. Why don't you like and subscribe to my videos today, okay? To my video channel. All right, we here at the editing software Filmora 9, and I already have a video up, okay? Now let me just play this video. Today, so let's say you don't like that particular music on there, okay? On Filmora 9, it makes it easy to just lower down the volume of the music, right? For this particular intro. Let's cut back on. Let's hit play. So now you don't hear the music anymore. Okay, you can't hear it anymore. So now, only thing you can do now, all I need to do is go to the audio section, and let's say I want to play this particular track. I can actually, which I already downloaded into the system itself, and now I press it. All right, and it automatically pops in. Okay, so now let's try it now. Let's see what happens. Now, what I have to do a lot of times when I edit my videos with the background music, I have to actually lower down, bring down the volume of the background music. Okay, so it won't go over my voice. And so you notice that the music is a little low, and I can pull it up as much as I want to, or drop it down as low as I want to. But I want to bring it down low enough so it won't overshadow the voice of my video. Let's do this. Okay, so basically that's how you put in background music. And so in later videos, I'll show you how to, to cut your videos and splice them and different things like that, and put in text and things like that. Well, that's all there's to it, putting background music. Filmora 9 makes it very easy and simple for the newbie to actually make wonderful videos with background music. Doesn't take much technical skill at all. So that's it. For this particular video, I'll be doing more videos on Filmora 9. So thank y'all. God bless, and I'm out.